Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me turn it down a little. There we go. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How have you been? It's been a minute since our previous good morning. I hope you all have been faring well in this dastardly weather. Not that dastardly, actually. It's been quite warm, hasn't it? Over the last few days, at least on the upper east side of things, it's been quite warm, honestly. It was almost 80 degrees the other day, which is just crazy and unheard of for such times of year. But it's dropping back down a little bit. Not too cold, mind you, not too cold, but it's dropping back down a little bit. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it got up to like 78 the other day. I was like, what the heck? What the heck? Certainly foggy, cold mornings and sweat-inducing noons. That's how it pretty much is for a lot of the places. You can see, even today, it's not going to be as warm for a lot of places, but it's still going to be warm in some places. We're starting off our day quite cold in most places, besides way down south. It's a little bit stubborn on there, as always. But in a lot of places, it's going to be in the 30s and 40s and even the 20s up here. We have some places that are even getting into the low 20s, perchance in the next week or two. We might even see some teens, perchance. I slept pretty okay. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you guys slept well as well. And then, as we go into the afternoon today, it's gonna warm up just a little bit across places. This one may not be totally accurate. I don't know if they put the wrong date on it or if they never updated this one, so this one might not be totally accurate. So take this with a grain of salt, what we're saying. I'll show the other maps as well on the radars and the severe weather and rain patterns, so you can expect that sort of thing. But somebody, no, on this end of things are dark shadow. Very edgy on YouTube, I feel this one, very edgy. But yeah, it's been in the 90s in some places. I was still shocked, like, the weather, like, 2 days ago or something, 2 or 3 days ago, the weather, like, up north, up here, was the same as down in Georgia. Insanity. Absolute insanity. When I was on my walk, I was just like, oh my god, it's kind of hot. It's kind of hotter than I was expecting. So I'll jump straight into the evening. The evening is more accurate still. We're seeing a lot of cloudiness, as you can see, all across the country. Lots of clouds. It's gonna be quite cloudy today, it seems. Maybe some rain, some clouds. Nothing too crazy. The heat shouldn't be too crazy. Probably not. I don't think anywhere is really getting any snow today. I think it's gonna get too warm during the day, and I don't think it's expected to, what's the word I'm looking for? Precipitate during the evening in any of the cold places. So, probably not, but you never know, honestly, you never know. Probably not, though. Probably not. Because the only place it's supposed to be raining tonight is over here, and it's gonna be in the 50s, so nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. It's still gonna be in the 50s and 60s down in the southern region of things. It's gonna get into the 40s and 30s and 20s in some places overnight. So if you're going out on this lovely, what is it, Friday? This lovely Friday evening, make sure that you bring a little jacket. Don't get cold, okay? Right, here is the infrared satellite. As you can see where it is going to be, how foggy it is. That's where it's going to be quite cold, and as it gets more colorful, it gets even more cold. So very reasonable, I would say, honestly. Very reasonable all across the land today. The south isn't really getting much of it, but in a lot of other places it's gonna be a little bit chilly, but not too bad. Not uncomfortably chilly today, I don't believe. Going into rain, we can see right in this area right here. I always forget what states these are. Illinois, Ohio. What is this? Illinois, Ohio. What is this one? Indiana. Really? Okay. Well, Indiana, you guys are gonna get some rain. What is this one? What's the one that's getting covered? Is this even the United States? Or is it Canada? No, surely not. This is Canada border. This is United States. Michigan. Gulp. Well, you guys are getting some rains today, okay? You're getting rains today. Next 48 hours, lots of rain over here. A little bit of rain over here. Nothing too crazy though, Let's move on to severe weather. Wind advisory up here. Well, I've never been to Michigan. I don't know what goes on in the Great Lakes states. They're confusing to me. I don't understand them. They are really big lakes, huh? I've never really thought about the Great Lakes too heavily, but they are quite large, aren't they? They're quite large lakes. It's kind of crazy. There's just big things of water right here in the middle. I bet there was a lot of fights over the territories here. Crazy. Anyways. Anyways. I'm assuming that this down here is going to be fog and whatnot down in Louisiana. Fog, wind advisories, nothing too crazy though. No severe thunderstorms or tornado watches today. Shouldn't be anything crazy storm-wise. The only thing we can see for our thunderstorm warning in general, or for the forecast for thunderstorms, is you can see it. Can you see this chat? Right here. Right here in Ohio. You see that little speck? That little town on the map? Yep. That little speck, that little town on the map, you're done for. You're getting a thunderstorm, just you. Everyone else is gonna be hunky-dory and you're gonna be getting a thunderstorm. Because I guess you did something to piss off the thunderstorm gods. Hi, Tucking. Good morning, good morning. No, they're not gonna die. It's gonna be okay. It's not gonna be bad. It's just what you get, okay? Moving on. Bing, bing, bing. Here is our map for fall foliage today. As you can see, a lot of places are past the peak now. You missed your beautiful viewing things. One thing I don't understand is you see over here. Hold on, desu. You see over here? What is with this bundle of stuff here? We have peak, past peak, and then patchy and near peak, all in one little bundle. How is there such a difference of peakiness here? There's such a wide variety of peak in this tiny little area. It's just crazy to me. You could turn down one road and it'd be beautiful, and then you turn down another and it's just super patchy and lame. Nature is really a wonder, huh? But other than that, it's slowly creeping down into the south more and more. We're getting near peak in places like the tops of Georgia and Alabama. So you'll be enjoying full color soon as it slowly creeps down. I'm morning phlegm in my throat. I'm losing my voice. No, it's gone. Excuse me. But other than that, that is my weather report for today. I don't have much else to report for you today. Yeah, I hopefully want to try to stream on Twitch later. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but for now, I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna take a shower. And then I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna buy some stuff. I think I'm gonna try to make. I've been seeing these protein egg white pancakes. I've been seeing them on my TikTok lately, and I've been really wanting to try them because they're like low calorie. They're low calorie and high in protein, and they look super yummy. So I think I'm gonna give that a try, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Other than that, we are going to be having good mornings this weekend because I have the next 2 days off as well. So, good mornings all weekend for you guys. And yeah. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out, and thank you for coming and watching my good morning. Whenever I stream later, I hope to see you there. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful days. Stay safe, stay warm, stay dry. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Good bye bye. See you guys. Thank you for joining. Bye bye, desu. Bye 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 bye.